Welcome to Aptitude Learning Session. In this video, we would solve some more problems from train and object. In first question, a train passes a platform in 36 seconds and a man standing on a platform in 20 seconds. If the train speed is 54 km per hour, then the platform length is. Here is a keyword. First, a train and this platform and this man standing. They have mentioned both the line method and point method here. So you have to split the question into two. First, you have to take point method in order to find out the missing value. A train passes a platform. Here the platform is obviously line method. So just skip it in the first step. A train passes a man standing on a platform in 20 seconds. A man standing on a platform in how many seconds? 20 seconds. If the train speed is 54 km, what is the speed of the train? That is 54 km per hour. And keep in mind, don't be confused with this platform here, because in question, a train passes a man standing on a platform in 20 seconds. That means a train run across this man in 20 seconds and not the platform in 20 seconds, right? A man is an ideal one standing on a platform. You have to take the man alone. Just skip the platform here. So platform doesn't matter. So obviously it comes under the point method, right? So what is the formula in point method? Speed equal to distance. What is the distance here? Length of the train divided by time, right? So what is the missing value here? They have given t in seconds, speed in kilometer per hour. We have to find length of the train by using the point formula. What is speed here? 54. In order to convert it into meter per second, what you will do, just multiply with 5 by 18, because t in seconds, then speed must be in meter per second. So that's why we just converted into meter per second from kilometer per hour. Length of the train we would find, and time in 20 seconds. Just 2 nines are 18, 6 nines are 54, 1 twos are 2, 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15 into 20, that is equal to LT. So what is 15 into 20? That is 300 meter. Length of the train here is 300 meter. And then go for a line method. A train passes a platform in 36 seconds, and then go for the full question again. A train having the length of 300 meter, that is what we have found from using a point method. Just apply into this second one. Speed is what is the speed here? That is the same speed, 54 km per hour. Speed is common for both the method, and passes a platform. Here is a platform. Platform in how many seconds? 36 seconds. Then we have to find out the length of the platform. So what is the formula here? Speed equal to distance divided by time, right? Distance is what? Length of the train plus length of the platform divided by time. Speed is obviously 54 km per hour. Here distance in meter and t in seconds, so obviously you have to convert it into meter per second. That is 5 by 18 equal to length of the train is what? 300 plus length of the platform. We have to find it, and 36 is the time. Obviously 15 into 36, 300 plus LP. So 15 into 36 is what? 540, right? So 540 minus 300, that is equal to LP. So what you will get if 300 subtracting from 540, that is you will get 240 meter, that is your platform length. Don't be scared on these big steps here. If you understood the concept, you can solve this question in 2 steps. First, read out the question. A train passes a platform in 36 seconds and a man standing on a platform in 20 seconds, right? This is obviously a point method. Just apply this into the formula. Speed is what? 54. Just 54. In order to convert it into meter per second, what you will do? 5 by 18. That is equal to length of the train divided by 20 seconds. If you converted this 3 5 so 15 and 15 into 20 is what? 300. So length of the train is 300. Just apply into the line formula. Speed is obviously 15 meter per second. We have converted already. That is equal to length of the train is what? 300 plus length of the platform in how many seconds? 36 have mentioned in the question. And 15 into 36 is what? 540. 540 minus 300 equal to LP, that is 240 meter. So just it takes 2 steps to find out the answer. This is what you must do in examination. If you practice well, it will be easy for you. Question number 2. A 300 meter long train crosses a platform in 39 seconds while it crosses a single pole in 18 seconds. What is the length of the platform? In the question, the keyword is train, platform, single man. So they have mentioned both the line method and point method in the question. You have to split the question into 2. First, you have to take the point method in order to find out the missing value. A train having the length 300 meter crosses a platform in 39 seconds. Here the platform obviously a line method, just hold on it in the first step, while it crosses a single pole in 18 seconds. The train would take 18 seconds to cross the single pole. What is the length of the platform? Here in a point method, what is the missing value here? Speed of the train is missing. So just we have to find out the speed here using a point method formula. Speed equal to distance divided by time. Distance is length of the train divided by time, that is equal to 300 in meter, 18 in seconds, right? So in order to simplifying these two, 6 3s are 18, 1 3s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 100. That is 50 divided by 3 meter per second. We have found the speed of the train by using a point method, right? Then again go for a question. A 300 meter long train crosses a platform. Here is the platform. In how many seconds? 39 seconds, right? The speed of the train becomes 50 by 3 meter per second, that we have found by using a point method here. So just apply all those things into the point into the line formula. So speed equal to length of the train divided by length of the train plus length of the platform divided by time here. So just apply all those things into the formula. 50 by 3 equal to length of the train 300 meter, length of the platform we have to find it 39. Just simplifying all those things, just 50 into 3 is what? 650, right? 650 minus 300, that is equal to LP. Finally LP equal to 350 meter. So we have found the length of the platform, that is 350 meter. So in exam, what actually you will do, just read out the question. A 300 meter long train crosses a platform in 39 seconds while it crosses a single pole in 18 seconds. First you have to take the point method, right? Speed of the train we don't know. Speed equal to length of the train is what? 300 divided by what? And 18. Just in order to simplifying this, you will get 50 by 3. Just apply this into the line method. 50 by 3 equal to length of the train 300 meter and length of the platform we don't know in how many seconds? 39 seconds to cross the platform. Just simplifying these two, 50 into 3, that is 650 minus 300 equal to LP. Finally you will get 350 meter is your answer. Question number 3. A train speed passes a pole in 15 seconds and a platform 100 meter long in 25 seconds. Then the length of the train is. In this question they have mentioned both the line method and point method. You have to split into two. First we have to take the point method. A train passes a pole in 15 seconds. Just consider this is your pole. In how many seconds? 15 seconds. Then the length of the train is, we have to find the length of the train. Here, length of the train, we don't know. At the same time, speed also, we don't know. In the previous question, they have given the two values and we will find out the third one by using a point method. But here they have not given the two values. We have to find the two values here. So just what you will do now, we assume length of the train as x in meter and speed of the train as y in meter per second. Just apply these into the formula. What is the speed formula in point method? Distance divided by time, that is length of the train divided by time. Just apply these all the values into the formula. Speed is y, that is equal to length of the train as we have assumed as x, time as 15 seconds. So this is our speed value, right? Just apply these into the line method. Here the train having the length x, so that is what we have mentioned here. Speed x by y, x by 15 meter per second, passes a platform 100 meter long in 25 seconds. Here is your platform. Length of the platform is 100 meter. The train would take 25 seconds to cross this 100 meter platform. Then we have to find out the length of the train, that is we have to find out the x value here. So speed equal to distance divided by time. The distance is what in line method? Length of the train plus length of the platform divided by time. Here the speed is x by 15, that is equal to LT considered as x plus LP is 100 divided by time, that is 25 seconds. 5 5s are 25, 3 5s are 15 and 5x to 3x plus 300, right? So 5x minus 3x is what? That is simply x. So x equal to 5x minus 3x, that is 2x. So x equal to 300 divided by 2, that is 150. 150 meter. That's it. So the length of the train becomes 150 meter. And if they ask to find out the speed of the train, what you will do? Just apply this x value into this one. So y equal to x by 15, right? X by 15. Just apply this x value here. 150 divided by 15 is what? Just simplifying these two, 10. So 10 meter per second. So the speed of the train is 10 meter per second. That's it. I hope you understood all the problems from train and object. Here is your practice question. Just try to do it. In the upcoming video, we would see other type from train problems.